Welcome to Modena-Lucerna, and we are announcing the starting of shipping of our 360 Ferrari Gated 6 kits. And for today, I'm going to do a little unboxing video. I think this says a lot about who we are in our product. We waited until we had everything perfect, and then we waited until we had the boxing so that we felt it secure, and it will get your product to you safely, and you'll see from the unboxing video how well we did it. Now, you're going to ask the question, why is this box not closed and why is something hanging out? Well, that's the reason we're starting September 1st. The last box has got to come in and it'll be here right before the 1st. And what this box, you're going to get a long box like this, and what comes in that box is the clutch hydraulic line that goes under the car. And then you'll get the two other clutch lines that go in the engine compartment from the end of this line to the cylinder for the master cylinder, for the clutch slave cylinder, and where it goes to the clutch pump in the front. So that's your hydraulic lines. That will come in its own box right here. It's going to be about 6.5 feet long, and it'll have these three lines in it, and then lots and lots of paper to protect it and keep it safe to get to you. We didn't do a straight line all the way. Some people are doing flex lines all the way. You get a little bit of fading in the clutch if you do a flex line all the way. Ferrari didn't do it. We didn't do it either. Now, as far as the box goes, double corrugated box. All the rest of our parts are in this box. You'll notice on the top of it, we tape everything off with fiber tape, and we also use our inkjet printer that we can put our name, Modena-Lucerna, all over it. What this does, it keeps it from being tampered with. So you'll know if it's got our logo all over this tape, there's no one got into this and tampered with it. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this box open and we'll see what's inside. I know this is exciting. It's like Christmas right here, but it's Christmas in August. Here we go. There we go. Look, okay. This is exciting. Now we're getting somewhere. All right, we're gonna put the razor knife down so I don't cut myself. And first thing on the top you're gonna notice is your two cables for the Gated 6 shifter. So those two cables are packed, they're there. Next thing you're gonna notice is inside the box, there's three other boxes. We separately packed all the stuff in other double corrugated boxes to keep it safe. So let's go ahead and see what's in this one first. Open this one up. I don't know what's in the boxes exactly, but we'll find out together. How's that? A lot of paper, a lot of paper. Keep everything safe. All right. Ooh, there's something in the paper. What is it? Okay, we found our first item in the box. And this is very exciting. We have a, looks like a cable mount and the cable plug for the car. There you go. Here's your cable mount. Comes with all the screws and the mount that goes on the back of the transmission cable screw. And you got the rubber plug. Now, the nice thing about our rubber plug is it's cut, so you can put the lines in easily and then put the plug on very last and lock it in the car. You don't have to have it fooling around with it stuck on the cables and have to try to manhandle the cables. Ours is completely separate. You can put it on very, very last. All right. Still got something else big, a little bit heavy. What could this be? What could this be? It is, okay, here it is, the rear shift control mechanism. There it is. Look at it, all assembled, all the hardware in place, everything there, ready to rock and roll. Just bolt it on, and you're done. That's it. Okay, so that's one box down. We got two more to go. All right, let's do this one next. Get the razor blade back. I've gone over a lot of the details. If you need to get the details of the quality of our product, the manufacturing of the product, and what they're made of, I've got another video up on YouTube explaining all that. This is really just sort of showing you how we pack it. We really care about the product. We want you to get a quality product, and the way you do that is make sure it's packed correctly. All right, first of all, there's a box in a box, and that box, in this box, has, there you go, clutch master cylinder, and as you can see, it comes fully assembled, all the hardware on, and even the hose and the clamps, all assembled, all ready to go. Just bolt it in place and you're done. That's good. And there's one more thing in here. A little bit heavy. This thing. Boy, look at that. I know what that is. Whoa. Let's spring it. Oh, that is our titanium clutch pedal. This is a return spring. It goes right here on the back. And once you clip it in, it can't fall out because it's locked in. It's got our bearings in it, all pressed. It's got our oversized bearings in it. These replace the spacers that come on the factory aluminum clutch pedal. So there's nothing to put in. You just basically pull the rod, slide this up, push the rod back in, and you're installed. It already has a pre-installed stop with the little rubber on the back of it. This is to hook to the master cylinder. We felt it's better to put that on here, and then you put the master cylinder on the underside of the car. The pedal goes on the inside of the car. That way we separated the two, so it's really easy. All right, that's 2 boxes down. Down to the last box. We're gonna open up this one. It's a big one. We're gonna open up this one in here, and we're gonna see what's in here. Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, and right up the top, right in the top of the box is the first thing. Don't lose this. This is your relay bypass. Once you take out the gated 6 stuff, you've got to put this in so that way the car will start. It comes in the top of the large box inside of here. It's right in the very top. Once you get past that, then you put all this paper and you get that out, and you're down to one final part. What could it be? What could it be? Well, it is. It's the shifter. There it is. Your shifter's got your reverse light installed already. Everything's pre-assembled. Your hardware's on there, and your little pin that connects the cables to the inside of the box. Everything's assembled. Everything's in there. That's it. That's what you get. There's your unbox. If you get a 430 in the top of this large box, or in the top of the main box, there will be the 430 shift housing will be separate in the top of this box. So the 360 kit and the 430 are identical. We put in the extra cowling right in here if you get a 430 kit. Thanks for watching. Now we're ready to ship September 1.